Yo, what's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Wednesday, happy hump day. I'm actually in the car about to go get some food. Been working all day on my brand, and I wanted to hop on and go over the Bitcoin price action. Also, let you guys know that I have a live tonight at 7 o'clock, so in about an hour. And then I have another live with, the first one is with Neil Jacobs, fellow Bitcoiner. Shout out to Neil. We're going to have another live at 9:30 with the Jump Out Girls. So make sure you guys are tuned in for that. Tomorrow we're going to have British Huddle. And then every Tuesday, me and Bitcoin Zay is going to do the 10 foil toboggan series. So make sure you guys are tuned in. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Make sure you go to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Shout out to everybody that's been liking, that's been commenting, that's been sharing, that's been subscribing. Shout out to you guys. And let's jump into the Bitcoin price. All right, Bitcoin. What are you up to? Let's check out this hourly chart. All right, looking at the hourly chart, I did extend my flag. So it looks like we are still flagging. We broke down a little bit, and longs got clapped right here. Longs got clapped. We went down to 29.6. So I was expecting us coming down. I did tweet one of the alerts that I got on my Twitter page, and it looks like, let's look at market cipher here. It's like a double bottom, so it looks like we're about to, there's a bullish divergence. So it looks like we're about to pump. Also, money flow is still good. However, it's looking like it could come down a little bit. So we'll watch that over the next few hours. VWAP is the yellow line. Looking like it is starting to turn down. However, that could go back up. So we'll see how that plays out as well. So short term looks pretty good. Wouldn't be surprised if we came back down and tested any of these areas because of, again, too many longs. And what we'll do is, in a moment, we'll go to coin. I forgot the website. If I remember the website, excuse me, I'll go to it. But because it's coin, okay, I remember now. It's called Coin Glass. We'll go ahead and check on that to see what the positions are on the exchanges, to see what's going to be the overall market sentiment, because I think a lot of people are probably going to short now, and I think they're going to be up next to get clapped, just as the longs got clapped today at around 11 a.m. So, all right, still looking good, still looking like a bull flag, so still waiting on this to play out. Now what we're going to do is jump to the 4-hour. All right, 4-hour looking pretty good. Let's look at market cipher here. Momentum came down. Remember in the previous video, I said if we come down below the 50 level, then we got that momentum to start to shift and come down. So that's what's happening. Money flow still pretty good in the green. VWAP, as you can see here, starts to come down. So we started to pull back. So I could see this possibly starting to come back up. I could also see this doing one of these. Momentum can come down, shift, and that would be as I mentioned, a previous bearish divergence. So we could probably hit 40K with the momentum. We'll see how that plays out. Jump over to the daily chart, and we're going to check out the market cipher, which we did on the previous videos. Still looking bullish on there. Let's see if anything's changed. Probably not. If it will load. Okay, not loading. So what I'll do is I'll go to Coin Glass right now. All right, yep, just as I predicted. Look at that. This is my first time looking at it all day. Look at this, guys. Everybody's short, so, you know, you already know what time it is. All right, there's a few longs. What long is that? That's on Deribit. We got some longs, only 100 million long. We got 8 billion here on Binance. We got 2 billion on Bybit. We got 2 billion on BitGet. So, you know, overall bear sentiment. So I think bear's going to get clapped up. Let's look at open interest. Let's look at the futures. Let's look at the liquidations. 114 million liquidated in the last 24 hours. I'm pretty sure those were longs. Yep, look at that. 62% of those were longs. So as I mentioned, you know, once some look at this. Yep, majorities were longs. Shorts got wrecked on OKX, but for the most part, Deribits got wrecked on shorts, and Bitfinex got wrecked on shorts, but everywhere else, Binance, Bybit, all the longs got smacked up. So let's look at that 24-hour period. 64% longs. Yep. So stop fading me, guys. Don't fade me no more, okay? Don't fade me no more, okay? Let's look at the hour. All right. In the last hour, all shorts were clapped up. So let's go back to all right, let's jump down to the daily. See if the daily works now. Yes, it does. All right, daily looking good still. I have these alerts still set, so if we hit these alerts, wouldn't be surprised. Let me set another alert here at the high if it's not already there. I don't think so. So if we do come past there, I'll send that alert out on Twitter. Make sure you follow me on Twitter. Let's go to Market Cipher on the daily. All right, still looking good. Money flow still coming up. VWAP coming down, which is why we had that pullback. However, this could always come down and then come back up. Momentum waves looking good. Above the 50. And I don't know why this is here. Let me delete. Oh, that's because of the bearish divergence on the hourly. Which played out. So I have a longer one. It's from a previous video. I'll just go ahead and delete that. We got the bearish divergence here on the hourly. So it makes sense that longs are getting clapped. We'll jump down to the 30-minute chart real quick. It looks like this is going to continue to come back down and then possibly go back up. However, this could just be a fake out and then come back up. We'll see how that goes. VWAP coming down, which is that yellow line. Money flow did start to come out. Yesterday I was saying how money flow was massive, right? Look at all this money flow that was coming into the asset. Now we got some money leaving. But wouldn't be too concerned just yet. Money flow has been coming out. It did come up. I think we'll be all right. But we'll see how this plays out long term. Now 30-minute. Let's look at the chart. All right, 30-minute. Let's look here. I haven't eaten all day. I'm starving. All right, cool. We'll see how this plays out, guys. I have these levels set because I think that we could possibly hit these levels due to, You know, everyone's selling and being short at the moment, and then they'll get clapped for shorts. And again, a lot of people just selling in general. So we'll see how this plays out. But, looking pretty good so far. Long term, we're still good. Bitcoin's still good. Everything's still good. So, if we do dip down, another opportunity for you to smash buy and buy some more. And make sure you go to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris to get your $10 free Bitcoin. All right. Also, make sure that you follow me on Twitter and Instagram at ChrisKnight407. All right. Also, make sure that you like, share, subscribe. Make sure you get to this bread, this Bitcoin bread. We're all about the bread. And I'll see you guys in about less than an hour. It's about 40 minutes that we start our live stream with Neil. So let me hurry up and go get some food. And I'll be back at the office, and then we'll go live with Neil. So with that being said, Bitcoin Chris checking out. Much love, you guys. See you soon. Peace.